When was the last time that you saw a residential project that was not trying to put every single development into one single project? Mostly project put 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, investors, inventories, and every single thing in between. But Rosemont Residency has a completely different approach. Located on NH24 inside the 117-acre Aditya Park Township, Rosemont has been designed as an exclusive premium residential address focused entirely on spacious family living. And today I will be taking you to the most talked about project on NH24 in Aditya World City, Rosemont Residency. So let's have a take on that. हेलो वेलकम नमस्कार यू आर वाचिंग हाउस सर्च कंसल्टिंग और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी एंड टुडे वी विल बी रिव्यूइंग रोजमॉन्ट रेजिडेंसी बाय आदित्य ग्रुप. Well, the builder Aditya Group has over 47 years of legacy, 100 plus delivered projects and more than 50,000 happy family. And let's find out what makes this project stand apart from the growing competition across Ghaziabad and NH24. The first thing that stands out is the location. Rosemont Residency is strategically located on NH24, also known as the Delhi-Meerut Expressway. From here, residents enjoy connectivity to Noida, Delhi, Greater Noida, Indrapuram, and east of Delhi as well. And major employment hubs like Sector 62 and Electronic City are approximately 20 minutes away. Ghaziabad railway station is around 15 minutes away. CP can be reached in approximately 45 to 50 minutes. And despite this connectivity, the project enjoys the advantage of being part of a large integrated township environment. This means residents do not have to choose between accessibility and quality of living. Now let's talk about something extremely important, the township advantage of Aditya World City. Many projects sell towers. Rosemont sells a township lifestyle. The project is located inside the 117-acre Aditya Park town, integrated township. This creates a completely different living experience. There is more space, more infrastructure, better planning, more greenery, and a strong long-term ecosystem for residents. For families who are planning to stay here for the next 10 to 20 years, this is the best place for you. And now let's talk about the project overview. तो रोजमॉन्ट रेजिडेंसी में आपको मिलते हैं 6 acres. फेज 1 में आपको 4 टावर्स मिलते हैं with 4 flats per floor and यहाँ पे आपको 29 floors approximate मिल जाएंगे. Now this may sound like a small detail, but in luxury living, low density planning makes a significant difference. Fewer neighbors, less crowding, better privacy, and a much more exclusive experience. And the biggest USP of Rosemont Residency is this is not a mixed inventory project. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको exclusively 3 BHK units मिलते हैं. And now let's talk about the configurations here. The first configuration offers a spacious 3 BHK with 3 toilets spread across approximately 1930 square feet. The larger configuration offers a 3 BHK plus servant room with 3 toilets and a utility area spread across approximately 2150 square feet. Large balconies, spacious living areas, dedicated utility spaces, and well separated private and common zones. These are the kinds of floor plans that appeal to end users rather than short-term investors. Well, the things that I feel should have special attention at Rosemont Residency are some things like, one, there is 3 acres of green area inside the project. And I think this is wonderful because आप अगर ऐसे project पे रह रहे हो, you will have open views, you will have a green space to walk around, and this is perfect for natural ventilation. 2, there is 18 feet long wide basement parking. And that is specially catered for the people who want to double park at their basement. And 3, there is 1,20,000 square feet of area dedicatedly for clubhouse. Why I say so? Because phase 1 will have 60,000 and phase 2 will also have 60,000 square feet of clubhouse dedicatedly for both the phases. And well, Rosemont has introduced Club Rosette. Let's talk about all the amenities inside and outside this project. There is a rooftop swimming pool, a grand banquet hall, a private auditorium with over 100 seats, double height sports court, triple height lobby spaces, fitness and wellness zones, indoor recreational spaces, and more than 30 lifestyle amenities. Whether it's social gathering, celebration, fitness, or leisure, residents will have access to a complete lifestyle ecosystem within the community itself. And outdoor spaces are equally impressive. They have jogging tracks, kids play area, dog parks, and multiple recreational spaces, landscape gardens for every age group. And इससे होता ये है that families will have spaces to enjoy within the project itself. इससे ये होगा कि उनको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ज़्यादातर. आप अंदर ही अपने प्रोजेक्ट में ही enjoy कर सकते हो. Well, Rosemont Residence is not another crowded project of NH24. That we have figured out. Well, it is positioned as the exclusive project of NH24, which has all the good amenities, green space, township feels, and exclusive 3 BHK units. And if you are someone who wants to have the 3 BHK exclusive unit feel and all the amenities around your house and a great connectivity to all the major hubs of Delhi NCR, then you should consider having a look at Rosemont Residency. And for inventories, pricing, and all the other discounts, you can contact House Edge Consulting on 875000-5008, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. And well, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This was your host and dost Khushi with camera person Bhavna signing off.